Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Solo. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. So Mampintsha's mother is reportedly hospitalized after she collapsed as she discovered that she will not be a part of her son's funeral arrangement, you guys. A blog reported that Mampintsha's mother collapsed as she saw that she truly has been sidelined by Babes Wodumo from her own son's funeral, you guys. So this is what the blog wrote and alleged. The blog wrote Mampintsha's mother reportedly collapsed when she saw the completion of the funeral plans without being informed. Mampintsha's mother, Zama, suddenly fell down and was rushed to Kwamashu CHC by ambulance. It is said her heart was hurting after she saw on television that the funeral plans for her son were concluded and she suddenly collapsed. She asked why she was not involved, wrote the blog on Facebook, you guys. Meanwhile, the family also announced that Mampintsha's life will be celebrated on Thursday in Durban Central and added that his funeral would take place on Friday. Now, please do engage with me down in the comment section below. Also, subscribe if you have not yet done so, because I shall surely see you on my next upload. Thank you so much for watching this video.